Welcome, teachers. Today we're diving into Module 4, where we'll explore the dynamic relationship between consumers and producers in the marketplace. Our focus is on understanding how businesses respond to the needs and wants of consumers through human-centric design. Our learning hook for today's lesson is a hands-on activity called the School Bag Design Challenge. We're going to put our students in the shoes of both the designer and the customer to understand the importance of user-centricity in design. Ask your students to describe their school bags, and adjectives like big, bulky, and uncomfortable might dominate the responses. That's where our challenge comes in. Students will design innovative and practical school bags for someone else. In pairs, one student will be the designer and the other will be the customer. The designers will interview their customers to understand their preferences, frustrations, and needs. It's all about listening carefully and asking the right questions. Once the interviews are done, designers will have 10 minutes to sketch their design ideas. It's crucial for them to incorporate the feedback from their customers into their designs. After all, understanding how the design impacts the customer's experience is key to user-centricity. At the end of the challenge, each designer will present their school bag solution to the class. We'll discuss how successful designs took into account the needs and wants of the customer. Fantastic job, everyone. Remember, understanding your customer's needs is the cornerstone of human-centric design. And that concludes our lesson on consumer-producer interaction and human-centric design. I hope you found it insightful and inspiring for your own classroom activities. Until next time, happy teaching. Also, don't forget you can head to the Enterprising Girls website and download the full lesson plan in its entirety, completely free. The link is in the description below. Plus, we also offer the online classroom where you can track your students' process, see curriculum links, and even make reporting time easier. Check it out, enterprisinggirls.com.au, and then click on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.